Welcome to Kuku Code channel. In this video, I will discuss about the constructor overloading in the Java programming language. We know that the constructor is a special member function of the class which has the same name as the class name and without any return type, not even void. So we can overload the constructor in the Java because it is also a method. We can overload the method in the Java since we also can the overload constructor in Java. So let us start class area uh, I am writing the int x comma y. Constructor area and int a. This is the first constructor. This will here I will assign the value of a to the x. The value of the a is assigned to the. In the second constructor, we are overloading the first area. In the method overloading, we can change the type of argument or the number of the argument passed to a method. So since in the constructor overloading, we have to change the arguments, either number of arguments or the type of the arguments. Here I will change the number of arguments. In the first constructor, I have only one argument. In the second, I will have the two arguments, int a comma int b. X is equal to a and y is equal to b. Here I will assign the same value, y is equal to a. So this may be used to calculate the area of the square and this for the rectangle. Now int calculate area and return x multiply y. So let us review. I have class area, two variables x and y, and first constructor which takes only one argument a, and I have assigned the a to the both x and y. In next statement, I have overloaded the first constructor by passing the two arguments. So as we know, to overload the method, we have to change the number of arguments or the type of arguments. Here I have same in the constructor. We have to change the number of arguments or type of arguments, but I have changed the number of arguments. Two arguments here, then value of a to x and b to y. Int cal area return x multiply y. Now come on the next class cons overload. Public static void main string args. So we have to create the object. Our class name was the area obj is equal to new area. So in the first we have the only one argument, in the second we have the two arguments. Here I am passing only the one argument and display the output. System dot out dot println area of square is equal to obj dot area. Now in the next line we have to create another object, area obj 2 is equal to new area, and I have to pass the two arguments, since in the second constructor we have the two arguments. Here I am passing 5 comma 4, and next same statement to show the output. System dot out dot println and area of rectangle is equal to obj2 dot area. Now save this by the name CONS overload. Dot Java. After that we have compiled this javac CONS overload dot Java. The program is compiling. It is showing that there are the two errors. obj dot area here one. Oh sorry, we have the method cal area. And same here, calculate area, and save this and recompile. So there was not any error, we are on the prompt. Now run this program, Java CONS overload. The program is running. This will show the output. In the first case, area of square is equal to 25, and in the second case, area of rectangle is equal to 20. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video I will discuss another topic. Thank you.